Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. It's a domestic animal known and often friendly to humans. They are commonly found on farms and rural areas worldwide. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as donkey, donkey, key, donkey. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as donkey, donkey, key, donkey. Donkeys have a unique bray, which can be heard over long distances, and are known for their stubborn yet intelligent nature. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about donkeys, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.